this topic I really wanted to talk about because there are people like that in the world. Okay, there are different types of people. First of all, एक ऐसा होता है जो दिलदार होके खर्चा करेगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के ऊपर. Like यार ये मेरे cousins है, ये मेरे friends है, ये मेरे best friends. I'm gonna spend. I'm not gonna ask the money back. It's okay even if मेरा जेब tight हो, even if मैं next 10 दिन के लिए broke रहा हूँ, I'm not gonna ask the money back. Fine. If the quality of people are that good, it's okay. You gotta spend on them. Depending, like if they are also spending on, if they are also pampering you the same way. दूसरा ऐसा होता है हिसाब किताब रखने वाले कि हाँ भाई आज मैंने लंच का पे किया है, कल तू पे कर देना. लाइक सेटल्ड होता है एंड पीपल आर रेस्पेक्टफुल इनफ कि हाँ भाई आज मेरे भाई ने पैसा दिया है, आज मैं दूंगी, आज वो देगा, व्हाटएवर. तीसरे जो होते हैं, यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल ऑफ सच पीपल बिकॉज दे आर द बिगेस्ट चिरकुट्स यू विल एवर मीट. व्हाट दे विल डू इज they will have good money, okay, they will have अच्छा खासा पैसा, but they will not spend a single money, like single एक चवन्नी खर्चा नहीं करेंगे. And I have met so many people like that, like you know they will never remember the amount others have paid for them, or you know how many times others have been generous. But the minute they are generous, even if it is like a 5 rupees Cadbury chocolate or whatever, 5 rupees तो आता नहीं हो क्या, 5 रुपए का पर्क आते हैं, they'll be like मेरे को 2.5 rupees वापस दे. And initially when I dealt with such kind of people, I used to be like, it's okay yaar, that is their personality, I don't mind spending on people, so why should I ask somebody my money back, है ना. I don't mind, मेरे को तो अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरे को लगता है कि अगर हम इतना देंगे तो भगवान और देगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है. भगवान भी तुमको गाली देगा, बोलेगा कि क्या छूते हो तुम, ठीक है. सिंपल है. So and मेरे को टर्निंग पॉइंट कब आया कि I never asked my money back, but these people they were like quick enough to ask their shares back, and I was like, what about the 50 times जब मैंने तुमसे वापस नहीं मांगा. So technically you owe me this much, but I owe you only this much. You're asking me this much back, but you forgot about this much that you owe me. समझ रहे आप. तुम बोलोगे वो सोनाली just forget about it यार, pay, ignore. No, I won't ignore. I will never ignore. Okay. So then I was like, you know what, fuck it. I am going to be with this, I'm going to give the same treatment to such kind of people, okay. Obviously, if I meet someone and I'm generous with that person, even that person is generous with me, I will be generous with such people. I have some wonderful close friends, okay. I remember when I was just at the start of my career, I was broke. They were like, don't worry about it, we will pay for you. And मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता था. I never like when somebody else pays for me. मेरे को होता भी नहीं है. If I owe someone money, I will be quickly like, fuck, I have to pay this person back. Let me like instantly GPay, okay. But they are such gems कि I'm like, नहीं यार, if ever I have to do something for this person financially, I will never think about asking the money back. But I'm talking about giving the same level of treatment, matching the same energy with such miser people, because such miser people, they drain my soul, okay. Because I'm like, भाई ये क्या हो गया, मतलब सामने वाला तुम पे 1 crore खर्चा करे, तुमको वो याद नहीं रहता, बट तुम 1 रुपए खर्चा करो, तुम तो वो बराबर वापस करोगे. So तब से I was like, you know what Sonali, I know you feel embarrassed asking your own money back. इसके लिए कभी-कभी मैं खुद को पूछती हूँ क्या गोल्ड डिगर बनेगी, तो बिकॉज हो तो होएगा नहीं मेरे से. I was like, you know what Sonali, तेरे को embarrassing feel होता है, but तेरे को पूछना पड़ेगा, तेरा मेहनत का कमाई है. And oh my god guys, it's so since then there have been challenges, okay. Whenever I owed someone money, especially people who I know कि they will always ask their share and they will never remember the number of times you have paid for them. Like अगर 50 रुपए भी रहेगा, उन लोग बोलेंगे hey babe, मैंने split price पे खरीद दिया है, जी पे भी split खरीद दिया है, please pay 50 rupees. I'm like, नहीं भाई, इन लोगों का दिखाना पड़ेगा. I've got to like match their energy, you know. So तब से मैं भी धीरे धीरे करने लग गई हूँ. And I'm telling you, people did not expect that. People were like, सोनाली कब से पैसे मांगने लग गई, you know. And I'm telling you guys, it's so embarrassing when I have to message someone saying that, hey, can you GPay me वो दिन का इतना पैसा, मैंने कैलकुलेट किया है, मैंने स्प्लिट प्राइस पे डाला है, इतना वापस दो. शर्म के मारे ऐसा लगता है कि देश छोड़ के भाग जाओ. But you gotta do what you gotta do, right? That's how you set boundaries. That's how you do whatever self-growth, lavda lasoon. But yeah, sabse I've noticed that people no longer think that I am the adopted child of Ambani and expect me to pay for everything and expect me to be this sugar mommy of the group or whatever. Not just group, I'm talking overall, you know, work pay या किधर भी कौन सी भी event का whatever. And it's very embarrassing when you have to ask your money back, especially face to face. Like मैंने वो दिन नहीं किया था, but trust me guys, you gotta do it, especially if you're someone who doesn't think before spending money on their friends, okay, who will like spend a fortune on their friends. But if you have friends जो 1-1 रुपए का भी हिसाब रखते हैं, trust me, do not let it go, okay. Do not be the bigger person, because eventually you will feel so bad thinking कि fuck man, लाइक मैंने तो आई वॉज बीइंग सो जेनरस, मैंने तो कभी हिसाब किताब नहीं रखा, मैंने तो कभी पूछा नहीं, बट दिस पर्सन तो पाई का हिसाब मेरे से पूछ रहा है, बट उसको उसका दिया उसको उसका पैसा याद नहीं है कि दिस पर्सन ओज मी सो मच. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, डोंट बी दैट, इट विल जस्ट कम बैक बाइटिंग एट योर एस. ऑल्सो वन थिंग आई वांट टू क्लैरिफाई हियर, बिकॉज people misunderstand so quickly and then they are like, what do you mean this, that and all. I am talking about miser people, kanjus, chikkus people, okay, chirkut people, okay, who have like good money in their jeb but एक रुपए खर्चा नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है. I'm talking about such people. But yes, if you have a friend who's broke, who's going through a tough time, who's a gem, do not think before spending on them. I would do that for my close ones. There are people who have done it for me, and they did not think twice before doing that, and I will do anything for them, I can even sell my kidney for such people. But for all those kanjus chikkus people, you gotta like match their energy. Like तूने मेरे से 50 रुपए मांगा, मैं तेरे से 20 रुपए मांगेगी, मांगो. That's how they will stop looting you. Okay. One last thing, actually I forgot. Actually I'm also wearing specs because मेरे को चिल्ला के सर दुखने लग गया मेरे को लैपटॉप स्क्रीन से, और ये होता है typical migraine things. One more trait to look out for such chikkus people is what they will do what when it comes to parties या किसी को इसका treat देना है, birthday treat, engagement treat, first date treat, whatever. जब उनका बारी नहीं रहता ना, जब किसी और को ट्रीट देना रहता, दे विल सजेस्ट ऑल दीज बिग एस फैंसी प्लेसेस जहाँ पे मस्त खर्चा होता है रोकड़ा. दिल में यहाँ जाते हैं, वहाँ जाते हैं, उसके बाद वहाँ जाते, बिकॉज दे नो कि उनके जेब से 1 रुपए नहीं जाने वाला है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू देम गिविंग ट्रीट, दे विल बी लाइक शेव पूरी खाते हैं, दही पूरी खाते हैं, छोले भटूरे खाते हैं, चाइनीज बेल खाते हैं, ऑल दैट स्टफ. आई मीन शर्म आता है तुम लोग को. लाइक इतना कॉमन सेंस, बेसिक एटिकेट्स नहीं है तुम लोगों की. भाई कोई तुम पे इतना खर्चा कर रहा है, यू आर रिकमेंडिंग लाइक बिग एज क्लब्स एंड पब्स, बिकॉज वो बंदा खर्चा कर रहा है, तुम छोले भटूरे शेव पूरी खिला रहे हो. लाइक कहाँ गए मॉरल संस्कार एंड ऑल दैट. लाइक यू गॉट टू बी केयरफुल ऑफ सच पीपल. ओके.